How's it going, Internet Land? This is Zachamus Prime, aka Zachamus Prime, here with another Transformers third party review. Yeah, that's three. And today, the figure that we're going to be reviewing is the Iron Factory Blueflash. This is their take on a Diaclone Blue Streak. I did review the what was it? Armored tactical staff, something like that, a year or so ago, and this is identical to those figures, aside from its color. So this is going to be a fairly short review. Actually, you know what? I'm going to just give it a full review because I think that a lot of people haven't actually watched that. So anyhow, so like I said, key differences. It's got this whole blue. It's this really nice blue paint scheme. I do have some concerns about the layer of blue paint changing the tolerances of some of these figures or some of these joints, and some of these joints do feel a bit tight as a result. But gosh, it just looks super nice. Where Iron Factory just went ahead and painted the entire figure. There's no unpainted parts of this. The bottom of the feet, the back of the wings, the inside of the legs, it's all painted, which is kind of different. This New Age one here, I mentioned that there was parts where there's blue plastic and parts where there's blue paint. This figure, there is no blue plastic. It's all blue paint. I don't know what color the plastic is underneath. But anyhow, in terms of accessories, he does come with the same accessories as all of the other guys, which is he comes with one G1 styled gun, 5mm peg. He does come with a couple IDW styled guns, just they will also plug in just the same. You can plug this into his hand, or you can plug it into one of these other ports or whatnot. He's got ports all over. So, whatnot. I guess he's not exactly the same, because as I recall, the armored tactical staff came with a set of other weapons and like some little shield things. You can take this part off right here. Ooh, that didn't sound good. If you feel so ambitious, is what I mean to say, you can take that part off and replace it with an identical part that does not have the wings. So basically, you would be taking off the wings and these guns, which are all attached onto this unit. And so I don't know why you'd really want to do that, because it looks just great. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it changes the way the vehicle mode looks. I guess that's probably what it's all about. These parts, like I just demonstrated, they do come off. He's got a little part here on the chest, which will also come off. And that's it for his accessories and or removable accessories. So, oh, one other thing that was in the box that I didn't mention. It came with this little card thing. And feels like there's like a little plastic card inside here. You can kind of see the outline of it there. I think this is probably just a character bio, but if that's the case, why is it in this little foil wrapper, this sealed foil wrapper? I don't know. It's a mystery, and so I was saving it for the camera. That's open, and yep, that's just, oh wow, that's cool. 5th anniversary limited. This is a translucent bio card. That's really swanky. Individually numbered. That's cool. Huh. I like it. See if I've got anything white to put it up against. That's really cool, actually. I dig it. Well, alrighty. I can see why they'd want to keep it in plastic, though I don't know why it would need to be sealed up per se. I'm going to slip that back into there and include this with the rest when I go and send it back off, because I am borrowing this from a friend of mine. So to get this guy transformed up, first thing you want to do is take these guns and rotate them all the way back. And these are going to fold up. I guess I wanted to fold this up first. I actually sold my armored tactical staff because they accrued a lot of money in the aftermarket, and I had a buddy who was really interested in acquiring them, and I was becoming more interested, to tell the truth, in getting some nice G1 accurate new age car bros, which I haven't actually picked up yet, but I'm totally planning on, especially after reviewing that other one that I had reviewed just moments ago, whatever his name is. Kit, that's his name. Anyway, especially after reviewing that figure, I'm very, very keen on getting my hands on all of those. So fold this up. There's little tabs on this form, so it's going to tab in down here. These are going to reattach. It was attached with a slot here. Now there's a little peg that's going to come in down there. The transformation on these figures is pretty decent. It's not like super clever. It kind of just brute forces the whole transformation thing. You know, going from one mode to the other. Like, it's not like elegant, but it's effective. It gets there. I believe I do need to turn his waist around. I am basically going off of memory, because I had these guys some time ago. Oh, I didn't want to turn the waist around. My memory did not serve me well. Alright. And then fold these up. Yeah, it feels like the tolerances on these are a little bit different. Huh. So this little part on the knee here is sticking out slightly too far. Again, that's probably a tolerance issue caused by the lavish coating of paint. Maybe that'll fix it. Yes, maybe. Yep, that fixed it. Just had to push on it real hard. Alrighty, and there he is in his kind of car mode. This is not a car mode that looks as well. So this is loosely based off of, maybe not loosely, but I'll say at least roughly based off of the IDW comics. And it's not as good as, say, the G Creations Prowl, which made for a really good looking car mode, actually. This guy makes for a really, really, really chunky looking car mode. But damn it, it's a car mode, so that gun doesn't want to fit there. So I'll stick this one there instead and put this one off to the side. Nope, that one doesn't want to fit there because of this little tab sticking out. Oh well. There, I'll put it like that on the side. Ta-da! Complete weapon storage. Yeah. So he doesn't quite roll. These tires are not. None of these tires really want to be. I guess that one kind of rolls free, but none of these other tires are rolling free. It could be because of paint. It could be because of construction. It could be because I've screwed everything up. Though I don't know that I have really done that. But gosh, the paint on this looks really nice, and it comes with a really cool collector's card. So if you've got these figures and you just really need the blue one to complete it, go for it. Other than that, I would say hold off. It's a beautiful figure, a beautiful paint job. Structurally, functionally, it is identical to the other ones, so there's nothing new there at all. But yeah, this is definitely for the collector who's got a burning need for that sweet blue streak. I bet you this is actually easier to take off in this mode. Let's see what the other one looks like on it. That still looks kind of naked. All right. All right. Well, this has been Zachamus Prime. Thanks everybody for watching. You guys are fantastic. Go ahead and leave me a like or a comment down on the thing. Also, go ahead and visit my Facebook page. You can leave that a like. All these little likes, they help out. Actually, they help to grow my page, help to grow my channel, and I mean, if you enjoy what I offer, then go ahead and leave that feedback. If you don't, also leave feedback. Any kind of feedback helps me out, whether it helps me to grow or it helps me to improve. So thanks everybody. You guys are fantastic. Stay awesome and be good to each other. I'll talk to you later. See ya.